So we circle back to my Veterans on Fire podcast episode where I was talking about the iBuyers and why they're struggling. Open Door is down almost $600 million this year, and I think it's almost $1 billion across their 2 years. So they remote buy these houses and they hire these contractors. This is one of their houses. Look at this. That's either thin set or grabbed. And this whole house is like that. So they bought this house to quick flip it. And this entire house needs to be torn up and redone. Like, that's not just fingernails, that's entire quarters, nickels, dimes, whatever you want to put down here. I mean, this is just bad. And then you get over here, this is supposed to be the laundry room. And this house is quote unquote done. What was the plan here? You know, like, that's so bad. So the laundry room needs to be finished, and I don't know what this piece is or what they were trying to do here. Look at these cuts. This is gross. Like, I honestly feel a little bad for Open Door. It's completely unlevel. I mean, look at that. Look at that. That's my whole finger. Wow. Remote investing isn't easy, but this is just bad, like really bad. That's the front door. They have a thing for submitting feedback, so I tried to submit some feedback, but whew, you're gonna buy this house, first thing you gotta do is rip up all the floors and do it again. Anyways, just wanted to show this to you guys. Thought it was pretty crazy. Like, not all of them I've seen have been bad. You know, like some of them are actually pretty good. Let me lock the door real quick. But whoever this contractor was, man, they need to give their money back because that shit was bad. All right, so let's throw this up. I just walked through the house, wanted to share it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow the channel. Lots of content coming as I get settled here in Florida. All right, shoot.